If your Chrome shortcuts are not showing, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick and easy fixes to get your shortcut icons back on the Chrome New Tab page. This is one of those annoying problems that can happen after a browser update, a settings change, or sometimes just because Chrome has a temporary glitch. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This issue usually affects the shortcuts that appear on the Chrome New Tab page, so we want to start there and check exactly what's missing. Next, open a new tab by clicking New Tab at the top. Once the page loads, look and see whether your shortcut icons are missing or if the whole shortcut section has disappeared. If the page looks blank or different from normal, that confirms the issue is on the new tab layout. Now go to the bottom right corner of the new tab page and click Customize Chrome. This opens the homepage customization panel where you can control what appears on your new tab screen. Inside the customization panel, look for the shortcuts section. Here, you should see options like My Shortcuts or Most Visited Sites. If shortcuts are turned off or set incorrectly, switch it back on. Choosing My Shortcuts will show the shortcuts you've saved yourself, while Most Visited Sites will let Chrome automatically display frequently visited pages. As soon as you enable one of these options, Chrome should start showing shortcut icons again. If you still don't see them right away, the next step is to refresh the new tab page. Press Ctrl and R on your keyboard, or simply close the tab and open a new one again. Sometimes the shortcuts reappear immediately after a refresh because Chrome just needed to reload the page layout. If that still doesn't fix it, the next thing to try is clearing Chrome's cache. This can help if corrupted temporary files are causing the new tab page to behave strangely. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. Chrome will open the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure to select Cached Images and Files, then click Delete Data. Once the cache is cleared, reopen the new tab page and check again. In many cases, this alone can restore the missing shortcuts. If the problem is still there, you may need to reset your Chrome homepage settings. Go to Settings, then find Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults, and then confirm by clicking Reset Settings. This will restore Chrome's default behavior and can fix new tab layout issues that are caused by a bad setting or a browser configuration problem. After that, open a fresh new tab one more time and check whether your shortcut icons are back. In most cases, one of these steps will bring them back quickly. So to recap, open Chrome, check the new tab page, enable shortcuts in Customize Chrome, refresh the page, clear cache if needed, and reset Chrome settings as a final fix. Those simple steps usually solve the Chrome shortcuts not showing issue without any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Chrome tips, browser fixes, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.